Tutorial on how to make glowing effect on IBIS Paint X with no filters. Draw something with color. Sorry, it has to be small, a bit. Blur it. This is why it has to be small to see the blur. Then draw outlines inside until it goes deeper. You can use a darker shade of the color or the original color for the outline inside. That's all. Bye guys.